Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambidotronics. So today I will tell you the difference between, as you can see in the notepad, that what is the difference between char constant asterisk p, constant char asterisk p, char asterisk constant p, and constant char asterisk constant p. Basically, generally people means like interviewer generally ask these type of questions for embedded engineers. So I'll just clear the doubt about these things, how basically these differs from each other. So okay, so let's start with char constant asterisk p. So first of all, char constant asterisk p and constant char asterisk p both are same. In this case we are saying that our basically pointer is variable and value means like character value is constant. So we cannot change character value, but we can change the pointer. It means we can change the address but not value, because value is constant. Through this statement you can easily understand that constant asterisk p, it means value is constant but pointer is not constant, so pointer is variable. So let's have a look at one example code of this first two which are similar. So for we'll see in dev C how we can execute means like how we can see how this using this our example will work. So let's go to the dev C software, and here you can see we have declared one in main function. We have declared char x equals to capital X in single quote, because this is character, and y equals to capital Y, and I am saying constant char asterisk p. As I told you that char constant asterisk p or char constant char asterisk p both are same. So here we have written constant char asterisk p. So it means value is constant but pointer is not constant. So in first statement I am saying that printf the value which is pointed to by p, then asterisk p means value which that p is pointing. So here in this, through this statement, p is pointing to the address of x, so definitely value of x will be printed by printing asterisk p. So value of x is nothing but capital X. So for the from using this first statement we will print capital X, and after that I am just using this statement p equals to address of y. Remember guys, here we are not changing the value, we are changing the address itself. So we are providing address, we are assigning address of y to this p variable, pointer variable. So now address of p is changed because p is variable, pointer p is variable. Through this statement we cannot change the value, but we can change the pointer. So we are changing the pointer address, and we are assigning y. Now we are printing the same statement, the value which is pointed to by p, percentage c asterisk p. So this time asterisk p will be containing the value of y, because p address has been changed. So y value is capital Y. So we will get result means like the value which is pointed to by p is p y. So in first case we will get x, in second case we will get y. So let's execute this, compile and run, execute. See, in this case the value which is pointed to by p x, the value which is pointed to by p y. So x and y we are printing. So one thing also I need to tell you here, you cannot write like this, like asterisk p equals to, if I'll say asterisk p equals to something value, if I want to give, I want to give, because asterisk p is constant, and if you cannot write like asterisk p equals to y, this will be a invalid statement, because anyhow this asterisk p means value of, means like value of this x variable. It means simply I would say that where this address of this x is p, but x itself is value, and asterisk p means value at p, that address. So value at p we cannot change because that is constant, so it will say invalid statement. So this is this we cannot done here. So okay, let's understand another statement, and that is char constant asterisk p. Now this is how it is differing. Here you can see we have written asterisk before this constant, so it means through this statement, by seeing this statement, we can easily understand that now p is constant, and p is nothing but pointer. So pointer is constant but value is not constant, so value can be changed. Where this p will point, that value can be changed. So suppose another example I am having, let's say this is another example. We will just go to the program and just paste it here, and here we will see that char x, same x, we are providing y and y's. Now char asterisk constant p equals to address of x. So p is constant now, and p having the address of x. Now we are saying printf the value which is pointed to by p. So the value which is pointed to by p is asterisk p, so that will be x. So through first statement it will print x. Now printf address of pointer p. So pointer p means like address of pointer p statement means address of x basically. So that p is itself address of x, so address of x we are printing through this statement. So in another statement after that we are saying asterisk p equals to y, so we are assigning y to asterisk p. Now here remember guys, you cannot write like p equals to address of, let's say address of y. We cannot write like that, this will again be an invalid statement. Because this p constant, p pointer p is constant, so we cannot change p by writing p equals to address of y. We cannot change this pointer because pointer we have made through this statement, we have made pointer constant, so this will be again an invalid statement. So the right statement to change the value of p would be asterisk p equals to y, because value at p we cannot change, value at p we can change, because value is not, means like character value is not constant, that is variable. So obviously we can transfer y to asterisk p. So value at address p we are just assigning y value, p itself is not changing, so on that same address our value will be changed. So now through again we are printing printf the value which is pointed to by p is p asterisk p is nothing but now is y, because value at p is y through this statement. And after that we are saying again address of pointer p means address of pointer p is nothing but address of x only. So that's why, because this thing is not changed, only value at p is changed, address is not changed. So this statement and this statement value means like address value will get the same. That's why I am printing these two statements, so that we can able to see both are getting, we are getting same or not. So definitely we will get the same thing for this and this statement, because address is not changed at all, so value will be changed. So in the first statement we will get x, then address of that p, some garbage address we will get, and again the value of this asterisk p is y, and again the garbage value will get, but this value and this value will be same, because this is the address of x which is p. So now I'll execute. Okay, function main printf. Sorry, this is not stdlib.h, this will be stdio standard input output.h. So now we'll execute. 0 warnings, and we'll compile and run. So here you can see we are getting x, and address of pointer p is 6487567, and the value of which is pointed to by p is y. Now again the address 6487567, which is the address of x, and which is p, 6487567, 6487567. So this is the way second our second statement this is working. Now this third one here, through this we want to say that constant char asterisk constant p means pointer is constant as well as value is constant. So in this case both asterisk p equals to if suppose through code I will say, if here p constant p equals to address of x, so this will also be wrong. P equals to address of y is wrong, because if I'll write constant char asterisk constant p, so in this case both this p equals to address of y and asterisk p equals to y, both are invalid statement. So by executing this we will get the error, because here pointer is also constant and address is also constant. So first let me just comment this, and let's execute this now. Asterisk p equals to y, we want to here through this we are saying that value is not constant. So let's compile this. So here you can see the error, assignment of read only location p. So this is only read, we can only read this variable, we cannot modify this variable, because now pointer as is constant as well as value is constant. So this way we can understand that even if I'll just do this and like do this, and now I'll compile. So assignment of read only variable p, same way we are getting this is invalid statement, because so that's why both the statements through by executing this, both the statements we will get error, because both the things are constant. So I hope you understand this how these things are working: constant char asterisk p, char asterisk constant p, and constant char asterisk constant p. So how these things are working, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to comment us below. Till then, thank you guys, thank you very much.